Hi guys, welcome again to my video. Today I am going to show you what you will get with your lifetime plan with Groovefunnels. You will get lots of tools with this lifetime plan, and this lifetime plan going to end very soon. So grab your lifetime plan. Also get my cool bonuses with this lifetime plan. I will give you link below in the description where you can grab your lifetime access of Groovefunnels. So let me show you what you will get when you get your lifetime upgrade plan with Groovefunnels. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the comparison what you will get with your lifetime plan. When you purchase your lifetime plan with Groovefunnel, which is a one-time payment only, no credit card required ever for the entire life. Yes guys, this is the cool benefit of Groovefunnels with this lifetime plan, and you will get lots of benefits from this plan. Let me show you. When you upgrade your account with the lifetime plan, you will get unlimited group pages as I shown you in my earlier video. You can create your product page inside group pages, and you can sell your products with Groovesell. Either it's digital or it's physical. You can create an affiliate membership area for your product, just like how we create an affiliate program and we promote affiliate program. Just like that, you can also create an affiliate program for your product or service within the Groove. As I mentioned earlier, the benefits of Groovemail: you will get Groovemail, you will get Groove member, you will get Groove video, you will get Groove card. Groove card is an amazing platform guys, very nice platform, and it's good besides Shopify and other platforms. Groove webinar live, Groove webinars automated, Groove webinar streaming, Groove desk, Groove calendar, Groove survey, Groove proof, Groove pipeline, Groove CRM. Lots of features you will get guys. More amazing features with your lifetime plan. You will get Groove proof, you will get Groove desk, you will get Groove calendar, you will get Groove streaming, you will get Groove survey, you will get Groove quiz, you will get Groove funnel mapping, you will get Groove pipe CRM. So lots of tools you will get only in one lifetime plan. This is a one-time price guys. So if you purchase today, you will never have to pay again, and this plan is going to end soon. If you want to purchase lifetime plan, I will give you link below in the description where I will give my bonuses also, so you can check it out. And if you are interested to purchase, then you can upgrade to Groovefunnels for the lifetime plan. In the next video, we will show more features about Groovefunnels.